haven't used virgin hair fertilizer since the start of August, and in this video I explain to you why I stopped using it and also why it's important to take a break from hair growth aids. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. So it was really about a year ago that I really started to become deliberate about using virgin hair fertilizer to grow my hair as my main growth aid. And if you check out the playlist section of my channel, you will see one of my very first videos actually applying the product to my scalp. During that period of time and throughout my last 2 braid challenges, I've been doing video showing you the progress I've been making with this product, and the progress has been immense. Do go ahead, check out my playlist section where you can see week by week how much growth you're expected to get from virgin hair fertilizer. I also go over the main benefits and drawbacks of using the product. So if you've never used it before, if you're not sure what I'm talking about, those videos, that playlist is a great place to start just to see the background on the product. As you all know, these current scissor braids have been in my hair since the 8th of May, and I've made it a point to be growing them with cloves and with virgin hair fertilizer. But about a month ago, or 6 weeks ago actually, at the start of August, I decided that I'm going to stop using this product because I've been using it for so long. I've been using it for a year, really, not non-stop. Normally I do take a break with my hair growth aids, so it was really naturally the time to take a break from this product, give my scalp a break from it, and also by doing that I know that I would get boosted growth. So the main reason really why I stopped using the product was not to do with the virgin fertilizer itself. It is a great product that will grow your natural hair. If you're looking for a growth aid, that is the one that I recommend. But it is important to take a break from some of these practices from time to time to boost it back. I mean, sometimes we stop dieting a certain way or doing certain things just so we can have the motivation to start again, or so that we can get a kickstart the next time we start. So I decided to put the product away for a while, 6 weeks now, and then I'm about to start it again. Just to remind you, these braids are actually 17 weeks old that I'm taking out. During my break from virgin hair fertilizer, the main drawbacks I've seen in the last 6 weeks is increased flake. So as you know, my hair scalp is very flaky. I do have dandruff and dermatitis and scalp problems because I have these issues with my skin where, you know, there's no hair, for example, on my face. So it's just a continuation of my skin. And this sulfur-based product has really been helping to minimize the amount of dandruff I've been having. However, because I've stopped using the product, I'm having to wash my hair a lot more. So I found myself for August washing my hair so much more because I didn't have the sulfur to help to stop the dandruff. So that's the main drawback that I found stopping. The second drawback is also the amount of growth. I haven't really been doing much measuring, but you can see from pulling my hair that over the last 6 weeks my hair hasn't grown at an excelled rate like it was growing with virgin hair fertilizer. So 2 main drawbacks is that my dandruff increased and that my growth slowed down. Now, as I said, I did it because this in autumn I want a boosted growth, and by stopping using the growth aid, I'm expecting to get boosted growth as I start back to use virgin hair fertilizer. Now, I don't have any scientific evidence that doing this, taking a break from the virgin hair fertilizer, will help to increase growth. I just thought it's something that I'm going to try and see if that by stopping to use it and starting again, I will jumpstart additional growth. So I'm going to be measuring that for you so that you can see on my channel. Now, I was getting quite a lot of build up with virgin hair fertilizer. So over the last 6 weeks, I haven't had as much build up, but I'm having to wash my hair more because I have more dandruff. So I was washing before because I had build up, but I'm washing now because I have dandruff. So it's one issue is gone and then there is another issue. I will say there are other sulfur-based products. So before virgin hair fertilizer, like way back in the day, I always used sulfurate. So I had the option of stopping virgin hair fertilizer and starting on sulfurate. But I thought I wanted to give my hair a complete break from any growth aid. That means that since the start of August, I've not even used clove on my scalp. It's just been quite minimal. And that's also because I've been on holiday. I didn't have time to be going through my my normal hair routines that I've been doing. I've just been keeping it minimal, keeping my hair moisturized, keeping it sealed and making sure my scalp is clean through washing my hair. So hair growth aid was completely off the list because it was a busy summer. So this is my 17-week update. I'm on week 18, so I do have another video to put out. And then I'm thinking I'm going to take my hair down probably by about week 20, which will take me to the end of September, and reinstall. I don't know if I'll give a week's break and reinstall braids in time for October. As you know, this is a back-to-back braid challenge, so it's slightly different to my previous challenge in that I'm just going to keep my hair in braids back to back. There's no keeping it in for 8 or 12 weeks or a long period of time. I will be doing them as necessary, but they will always remain in braid. With this current set, I think that they have done their time and just freshening it up, giving myself sort of like a brand new look for the autumn. I think that is in order. So I will be posting content on that if that's what happened. If I've decided to keep them in, I'll also just continue that series of videos. I do want to say subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell when you subscribe so that you don't miss any of these videos. If you don't know, I have 250 videos I think currently on my channel, all geared towards growing your natural hair, from how to grow your natural hair in 2022 to all the kits and tools that you need to grow your natural hair, plus just good old-fashioned hair care tips. I'm using simple hair care. I'm at the moment using mini braids in my own natural hair to grow it out long, healthy and strong. I'm showing you simple processes and I'm getting great results, and you can too if you subscribe to my channel. So just to turn briefly to what I'm doing in this video on my 17-week mini braid update. I am taking down my hair. I am still finding braids. That's in week 18. I am here in week 19 and I'm still finding braids that I didn't take out. So as I said, I haven't had really great growth since the last probably update at the end of July on the amount of growth that I've got, because I've stopped using the growth aids, but I'm going through my hair. Some of them were by this point starting to lock. So I do not advocate for you to leave mini braids in your hair for 17 weeks. Oh no, you will have a task to take them down. So I'm going through my hair and I'm checking any hair that I seem to have missed. All of these that you can see at the front, although they look quite frizzy, they have been redone. The ones I'm redoing in this video were never done in the last 17 weeks, but some of them were locking. They were quite hard to take out at this point. So I don't advocate that you keep your mini braids in for 17 weeks or you will experience lots of tangles, lots of knots, and you might possibly lose your hair. So do not keep them in for this period of time. In my week 18 video, I take down again the front of my hair and I wash it. So look out for that video, and also all my updates on my mini braids challenge. Once again, all the benefits for using mini braids to grow your hair can be found in the mini braids playlist. There's 2 of them, there's 2 different challenges, and you can follow along. You can also follow along if you wanted to do a mini twist challenge. I do have that playlist also on my channel. Do check that out. Do also comment down below the type of content that you would like to see on my channel, and also give this video a like if it's helped you in any way. Again, in this video I covered why I stopped using virgin hair fertilizer and the reasons why you should use virgin hair fertilizer. I will be starting virgin hair fertilizer again soon, the #1 growth aid that I've used, and I always advocate for using it because the sulfur in that product really helped my contact dermatitis, and it also gives me great growth. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.